Some bitch working? Oh yeah. Alright, today's video, guys, is going to be cleaning up this boat a little bit. I've been taking a little bit of soft scrub. Well, actually it's Comet bathroom cleaner with bleach. And I've been trying to scrub all this black crap off this thing. I mean, it's just everywhere. But I kind of want to buff the thing later. I don't know. I'm one of them guys that just do whatever, whenever. But this stuff seems to be working pretty good. This thing just had black residue all over it. See, stuff like this plastic here, this don't always clean up. But it don't hurt to try. But definitely all the gel coats clean it up. Probably not going to make much of a difference on this red. It may. Probably won't. But this boat just looks nasty. I know there's probably a quicker way, but this is my way. This is what we're going to do, is we're going to fire up the pressure washer here at the car wash and start hosing all this crap down. I sprayed down some of the interior, and that, I don't know, I might have to dye some of that. I'll show you guys that a little bit later though. But that stuff, that Comet, look at that, it just breaks all that up nice. Don't even need to scrub it. Just loosens it all right up. Alright, let's fire up the pressure washer. I noticed too, they put a little bottom paint on this thing. I want to try to get some of this off of here, if possible, because I want to redo it. This pressure washer kind of sucks. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty here. Tell you what, this is a big something bitch. You guys are probably wondering whose boat pisser. It's mine. I swapped the Corvette off for it. Better get something that the whole family can enjoy instead of just me. I think that's fair. And it came with a full tank of gas. So I really can't complain there. It hasn't cost me anything to use it yet. Took it out once. I do have to try to find a prop. Oops, I did that. Yeah. Alright, so we're back home with the big girl. Now there's two things you can do, actually. I started to buff right here. And you can see a little bit of a difference, not huge. Or you can do it the lazy way. Tire shine. And of course this can's about empty. This is only like a temporary deal, but it'll look good for a good week or so. I'm using the Meguiar's. Pretty good stuff. Basically, it's poor man's clear coat. And really, I could take and just wet sand this whole thing with, say, 1000 grit. And clear it. But I don't feel like putting $200 worth of clear coat on this boat and spending all day doing it. Just like that. Oops. You can let the stuff sit and soak in, or you can just wipe it off. And usually if you wipe it off though, you're going to have to give it another coating, because what's going to happen is the gel coat's going to suck all this in. This is what I do with my Jeep, because the hood's all faded on it. And that's what I do, I tire shine it. Because I've been, just haven't made the time to paint it. Like I said, this is only a temporary thing. But when I stand back here in a second, you'll see the difference. See that? Definitely helps. Now with that bleach scrubber all over the boat, it helped. A little bit down here where I stopped buffing. But where I buffed it, there, and there, it's kind of hard to see the transition here. Makes a huge difference. So that's a cheap way you guys can clean up your boat. I think it makes a big difference. Some bet. Y'all have goody. Later. What you doing, honey?
Really?
So this is what I don't get. All right, I've been scrubbing my ass off with this freaking Comet bathroom cleaner and this other stuff. What's the other stuff? Soft scrub. All right, and you're using this little stupid magic eraser thing, and you're getting this thing cleaner than I am with a soft scrub and other shit. So what's the deal with the eraser?
I don't know. It works.
Well, son of a bitch.
Seeing is believing there.
I guess so. I mean, because, you know, son of a bitch. I mean, look at that. It's freaking brand new. And I just scrubbed all that with the other shit. And you're showing me up, huh?
Look at you. Look at the difference.
You're freaking
Look at the difference from that side to that side.
Well,
that is gross. That is nice.
Well, what the heck?
I'm gonna see.